Okay, just gonna do the 9 p.m. check of my door. Make sure I can get out. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that was a little bit of effort. Yep, there's the cars. This is 9 p.m. and here's my, I used to have a trench to the street. Yeah, this car is buried. That's good. The wind did that. Okay, I'm gonna clear my steps. I'm still gonna go with so far so good. Because I still have power. But I'm just wondering about, I mean, there's nothing terrible happening, but at the same time, do I go to sleep? Like, will there be a 6-foot snowdrift in front of my door, so I'll be trapped in here in the morning? Because that's what was kind of happening in the afternoon. It took a little bit of forcing the door open to get, out, because there was 14 inches on the ground at the time, right in front of my door with the drifting. And just seeing how the cars are actually buried, where the back of the car might be totally exposed, yet the front is completely covered. If that happens to your door, a little bit problematic.